Welcome to Bleed Sports. This is Rino Verghese.
And this is Amir.
As we have promised in the introduction video, we are starting the fantasy sports series today.
This will be an interesting and very useful video for every sport lovers out there.
We'll be analyzing the match between Chennai and Mumbai with all the data that are required to make the best team. Team analysis. They have played 31 matches against each other, of which Mumbai has won 19 and Chennai has won 12. Clearly, there is an edge for Mumbai here.
Who can forget the last match between these teams?
Yeah,
it is a terrific match.
It was a beautiful match. Kieron Pollard almost scored an unbelievable 16 in the last over or something against Lumpi.
Yeah, Engidi was literally thrown away by the...
It was full load at that stadium at that night, and actually these two teams always bring something to the fans. It will be a crucial match, it will be a tight match. Always these teams has historically, all the matches between these teams has been tight matches. Also the Ampati Rayudu, we cannot forget the Ampati Rayudu incident that
he played a big role in that match. Like he scored 72 in 27 balls.
He scored that.
But it couldn't save Chennai from the loss.
We hope that this match will be also tight match like that. Also something that brings to the fans. CSK and Mumbai, one of the most anticipated match that the fans will be looking forward to. The video will be divided into three parts: pitch report, team analysis and play analysis for both the teams. So on to the pitch report.
The match will be played at Dubai International Stadium on 19th of September at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The average first inning score is 144 and second inning score is 122.
From this we can understand the pitch is supporting the bowlers, especially in the second half. I think the spinners will be crucial part here. Also the stadium is really large here. So the spinners will be playing a major role, I think.
But I think this is IPL. Anything can be possible.
Anything can be possible in IPL.
Coming to the probable 11, for Mumbai it will be De Kock and Rohit Sharma who will be starting the innings.
And they have Chris Lynn over there, but I don't think Chris Lynn will be coming ahead of De Kock. De Kock is actually in the form of his life. In a recent series against Sri Lanka, it was a terrific form out there.
It was a dead pitch over there, which supports spin very much, and he was scoring like really good.
Right. So De Kock and Rohit will be opening out there, and one down position they are having Ishan Kishan and Surya Kumar Yadav there. According to the situation, that is, if Quinton De Kock gets out, Ishan Kishan will be coming. And
left-hander for left-hander. And for Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav will be replaced.
Coming to the all-rounders, they are having Hardik Pandya, the Kunal Pandya, the Pandya brothers, and then Kieron Pollard is there. They could easily swap the positions if the wickets falls early in the innings. They could send Kunal ahead. And for the later stages, they could save Pollard and Hardik, who could just go bonkers out
of the park.
Yeah, they're having the attacking power of Mumbai Indians is in these three. That is Kunal, Hardik, and Kieron Pollard. Then coming to the bowling department, they're having Bumrah
and Bolt. That is a definite yes. And Rahul Chahar, the recent swinging sensation.
Spin sensation Rahul Chahar. He was selected in the Indian World Cup team recently. Yeah. So he'll be there to prove the doubters that he's capable to play for in the Indian team. Last position they're having Jimmy Neesham and Nathan Coulter-Nile. Both could play, both are similar kind of players. It's up to Rohit and management to select to go for. Both are good players. They have a very settled lineup. They don't easily change.
They hardly change their lineup.
So they will be going with this lineup. So the CSK lineup, I think Gaikwad and Faf will be their opening pair. But Faf, it is heard that he's having a slight injury. So the other opening batsman that they are having is Uthappa. Only other opening batsman they are having is Robin Uthappa. So Gaikwad and Uthappa will be opening, or Gaikwad or Faf if he is fit. Then one down
will be Moeen Ali.
He has proved in the first half of the IPL. He has proved that he is capable.
And he recently is in best form.
Yeah, he's in good form recently. And then having Reina and Ampati Rayudu there. Also Ampati Rayudu could come ahead. then Jadeja is there. Then of course MS Dhoni will be there. And coming to the bowling department, they are having
Shardul Thakur and Deepak Chahar.
Deepak Chahar is there.
Deepak Chahar is in good form and
Yeah.
he's swinging ball like no other.
Yeah, now the bowling recently, and he takes wicket up ahead in the power play.
Power
Actually, the success for CSK was largely because of this
Getting,
performance of Deepak Chahar. He takes wickets in the power play
Initial overs.
Yeah, initial overs. Then they will be having Imran Tahir, the veteran spinner. Imran
As the
Tahir is
swing-
there,
as the spinning option.
there.
And
Engidi was the bowler that MS used during
in the first part, but
as we discussed earlier, he went for few runs in
in
the
the
last
match against
M1.
Mumbai, so they might go for Hazelwood. Hazelwood is in recently
He
is
was
in
in good
good
form.
form, so
He might be going
MS
ahead.
Dhoni might go for him.
Yeah, that's the CSK and Mumbai 11 for you. So coming on to the Dream 11 part, we both have picked a team. I have picked a team purely based on the statistics and analysis here. And let's see, we'll compare our team now. So for the wicket keeping option, I have selected Quinton de Kock.
Mine is also Quinton de Kock.
Yeah,
like,
the other option is MS
only
Dhoni.
MS Dhoni.
He's coming late in the innings. He'll be coming 5th or 6th. So Quinton de Kock is an opener too.
Okay.
Also, he's in good form. So Quinton de Kock is
Only option,
wicket keeper. So for the batting department, I have selected Rohit Sharma, Kieron Pollard from the Mumbai team, and Ampati Rayudu and Faf du Plessis from the Chennai team.
Okay.
And,
For the batting lineup, I have same as Rohit Sharma,
Rohit Sharma is
Kieron
there,
Pollard,
Kieron Pollard is
and
also
Faf
there.
du Plessis is there.
Yeah, Faf du
And
Plessis is
in space of Ampati Rayudu, I have selected Suryakumar Yadav, and I have one more batsman, that is Gaikwad.
Gaikwad is it? Okay, I haven't selected Suryakumar Yadav because purely based on the statistics that I am having for the past 5 years, Suryakumar Yadav average is 25 and Ampati Rayudu's average is actually 34 and he's having a strike rate of 200. Our guy Ampati Rayudu is having. So you could choose both. Ampati Rayudu and Suryakumar Yadav both are good players, so they could be easily swapped there. And in the all-rounder department, I am having Ravindra Jadeja, Moeen Ali, and Hardik Pandya.
Okay, in that department, I have only Jadeja and Hardik Pandya.
Yeah. So for Gaikwad, I have in place of Gaikwad, I have selected actually an all-rounder. Moeen Ali is there.
Okay.
Why haven't you gone for Moeen Ali? Actually, he's in terrific form nowadays, and
But
he's
my
also playing
gut
the-
doesn't align with that.
okay.
I don't think
also
he'll be in
might
form
be
today.
it's a spin. Actually, we discussed earlier.
It's a spin
might
pitch
support.
and
Okay, that's an option for that. Then in the bowling, I have selected Imran Tahir, Engidi, and Rahul Chahar as my bowling options. Also, you could replace Engidi with Hazelwood. You could replace Engidi and Hazelwood. They both are good bowling options are there. And from the Mumbai team, I have selected Rahul Chahar.
okay, my bowling options are Imran Tahir and
Both are
then
having Imran having.
yes, and other options are Trent Boult and Bumrah.
Yeah, Trent Boult and Bumrah is there. I haven't selected Bumrah purely based on the statistical analysis. And Bumrah is having an average of 34 for the past 5 matches. Also, Boult is having an average of 32. Bumrah picks crucial wickets, but in Dream 11 we don't go for that. We go for maximum number of wickets, and Imran Tahir and Lungi Engidi provides with that. And also Rahul Chahar. Rahul Chahar is the prime wicket taker for Mumbai Indians. He takes wickets in crucial time and he picks up in bulk. Rahul Chahar picks wickets in bulk, so we could get easy points from Rahul Chahar for his bowling option there. So that's the Dream 11 team that we do have selected. Link to join the Telegram group is given in the description. Statistical data sheet used to pick our Dream 11 team will be provided in the Telegram group.
Link to download the Dream 11 is given in the description. Please do check out. Check out our social media pages and click the subscribe button. Until next time,
bye bye.